Hey there friends, I just wanted to take a quick moment to show off some of my new and classic t-shirt designs from my shop. If you're like me and love wearing t-shirts and building scale models, then you know there aren't many hobby themed options out there. Well, now there are. Check out my scale model themed shirts, hoodies, mugs, and stickers, all designed by a scale model builder for scale model builders. From some of my newest designs like Keep Calm and Build Scale Models, and Glue, Paint, Repeat, to some of my all-time bestsellers like I Heart Scale Models and Eat, Sleep, Build Models, Repeat. There is something for everyone. You can find them at the website on your screen, the link in the description, or just scan the QR code on the screen with your phone. So be sure to check them out today, and then go build something, and do it in style.